Hey guys, this is Jonathan Newton. Thank you very much for those that have already subscribed to my channel. The number is increasing. That's impressive. And if you've not yet subscribed, the red button is right down here. Please subscribe to my channel. There is this big complaint that people are having nowadays with Facebook and Instagram, people losing their pages. I don't want you to be one of them. In case you've not lost it, I'll show you some safety tips. And if you've lost your page, sit back and relax. This is the right video for you to retrieve your page that has been stolen. Stay hooked and let's do this. Well, I'm going to give you a few basic tips of how you can actually keep your account secure and immune from being hacked. It is a very, very simple thing. I'll go to my Facebook settings, and then what am I looking for in the settings? I'm looking for security and login. Reason being, I want to activate that two-factor authentication into my account. After activating the two-factor authentication, because this is what it actually does, it gives you an option to add a number that confirms that it's you logging in, and then it gives you an amazing option of Facebook recognizing the app that you use so much. With this activated in your account, even yourself cannot log in if you don't have what you set as the limits for login. That is your phone number and the trusted apps. So we shall go into this. I'll click the two-factor authentication. Just in case it's not activated on your account, please do. The first thing, they'll ask you for your password. Now you enter your password so that you have access to your own account. That is one level of security. After entering your password, now Facebook is going to give you access to the two-factor authentication settings. Now they're asking you, should you turn it on or turn it off? It's you to choose, but it's better you have it turned on. Then I'll turn on my two-factor authentication, and then I'll manage the numbers that have to be on my account. The phone number you put whenever you're logging in, you'll actually receive a notification of a code on your phone to enter in Facebook so as to log in. That's tricky, right? And the other thing is the authentication app. Facebook recognizes the app that you're using so much, and so that app can be used actually to log into your Facebook. That is to confirm a login after putting in your password. There are other methods like the security key and the recovery codes. These ones keep changing each and every minute. After you having the two-factor authentication activated into your account, this means you're so prone and immune to being hacked. Then there is this person looking at me right now and is like, you're not yet talking about my issue. I lost a page. I know it is painful, more painful than even losing money. You've lost your page and you want to recover it. Some of you are not seeing them in your accounts. They've actually disappeared after you clicked some links. Some, you're still analysts, but you can't post anything on your page. You're like an advertiser. You can't do anything on your page apart from looking at it in your account. It means you were hacked. And this is how you're going to go about this hacking situation. Don't lose hope. First of all, Facebook has the Hope and Support Center, because what we need today is hope. Remember, Facebook doesn't have a phone number that you're going to call like you're calling your customer care services of the telecom company. No. Facebook has the Hope Center and Support. You will submit a complaint that you have, and then Facebook will review this and it will get back to you. That email will be sometimes open for you to respond. Sometimes it will just be an email that needs no reply or response. Just like the notifications they usually send you when someone likes your picture. So here we go. My Hope Center is open. You can clarify on what you want, and today I'll type, I have lost access to my page. I have lost access to my page. After typing this, Facebook is giving me options just like you see portrayed on my screen so that I can actually choose what best suits my complaint. I think my Facebook page was hacked. I think my friend's Facebook page was hacked. There are a lot of options. Me, I'll choose one that brings me to this page. So with this, it's report an issue with Facebook pages. So I'm going to report an issue because this issue is with my page that has been stolen. You need to know the web address, or call it the URL of your page. What is a page URL? I'll show you what a page URL is. Page URL, I'll first return to Facebook because some of you don't know page URLs. When they tell you something like this, boom. Let me use this page so that you could see a page. When you click on your page, when you see this that I'm watering blue, this is the page URL. When you type that in the search engine, it will automatically bring you to this page that you're seeing right now. So I'll copy that. I'll copy and go back to where they require the page URL, and I'll definitely paste it here. And the other thing, Facebook needs you to detail and describe what the issue is. How did you lose your page? How did the hacker play with your maiden page such that Facebook can kick them out? I'll say my page was stolen via Facebook Business. Someone claimed to be an advertiser, advertising partners. Some of you were hacked in all different ways. You know your situation. Please let Facebook know your stand. Facebook will need a few things to prove. That is the screenshots. You can screenshot the last time actually you logged into your page, actually you had access to your page, your current role for the page. You could attach your IDs, you could attach any information in case the hacker contacted you. You can attach this and Facebook gets to know your stand. The next button is send. When you send this, you have filed a complaint to Facebook. And what next after sending? There is what we call the support inbox. Do you know the support inbox on Facebook in your account? If you don't know it, you'll go to settings still. So help and support, and then we shall look for the support inbox. Your account has a support inbox. You'll click on that support inbox. This is where Facebook makes the magic happen. They'll send you a message in case they need to hear from you. Just in case they didn't send you a support inbox, Facebook can send you an email. This is the email Facebook sends you after you contacting them that you've lost a page. After the detail I showed you, this is what Facebook brings. Case. The email, actually it is from an email address that writes the number of your case. We all have a case number when you report something at support.facebook.com. Please note that it is at support.facebook.com. Don't click in anything at gmail.com, at what? They are hackers, they are fake people. Please note that. So they are telling me here, hey, thanks for providing the required information, because when I requested, I sent every single screenshot that I needed. So they reviewed and actually realized this is the guy who owns this page. So they're giving me access. We've reviewed your request, and based on the information you provided, we added you again as admin. Yeah, I'm the admin of my page again. Well, that has been today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos about how to grow your pages and increase engagement. See you next time.